Hello there, welcome to this beginner-friendly robotics course. In this course, we are going to make three projects. One, obstacle avoidance robot, another, line following robot, and next we are going to make an RC car. So everything we are going to do in this course and along with, we are going to learn a lot of sensors. So let's tune with this course and we are going to do all the coding on hands-on. But we are using VS Code along with PlatformIO and GitHub Copilot. So the coding almost will be done by the AI agents and we will write these logics. So let's start this course. So right now to start this course, we just need a microcontroller. I'm using ESP32. You can use another model like Arduino Nano or Arduino Uno. But for now, I'm using ESP32 because it has built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So let's start. In this video, we are just going to learn how to use the VS Code with PlatformIO and just do a basic coding of blinking an LED. There is an inbuilt LED of blue color, so we are going to make this blink. So let's start connecting with the PC. So right now we are going to do the coding part. For this, we need the VS Code ID. You will be able to download it from online, the Microsoft Store, and then we need to install this platform IO extension. In the VS Code, you will find extension and search for platform IO, and you will get this platform IO ID. Just install it in your VS Code. I have already installed, so I'm not doing this again. And then you have to make the Copilot work with your VS Code. So this is GitHub Copilot. Install it and then connect it with your GitHub account. I'm not doing this here. I will link a video where you can see how to link your code agent with your VS Code. So right now I'm just making a project of making the ESP32 a blinking LED. So in the PIO home, just click this icon, Platform IO, and there in the PIO home, click Open, and then create a new project. So for this, I'm naming this ESP32 Blink LED. Okay, then I'm choosing the board. It's ESP32 development module, expressive ESP32 development module, and then framework Arduino, and just finish. And let's wait for some time. Okay, it's just asking me if I trust this folder, so let's trust. And you will be able to see that in the workspace, you will have this ESP32 Blink LED. And here in the SRC, you will find your folder, the main.cpp. And all the information regarding this project, ESP32 Blink LED, is written in the platform io.ini. So let's start with this main.cpp. So remove everything like my function or just remove everything. So what we are going to do is make the ESP32's internal LED blink. So let's start hash include arduino.h. Let's write a comment for blinking this LED like ESP32 blink LED. It's a comment, so make this a comment. So your blink LED, so your Copilot can understand what you're going to do. Okay, accepted. Then we have to make this setup. Setup pin mode, built-in LED. Let's define the built-in LED. For ESP32, the built-in LED number is 2 in GPIO pin number 2. So hash define built-in LED is equal to 2. Pin defined, and the pin mode is output because we are generating signal there, the current signal. And the pin mode defines input or output. For this, it's output. And in the setup function, the loop, you can see we are turning on this high voltage. So digital write The digital pin always gets 0 or 1. For this ESP32 and the blink mode, we just need 1 or 0. For 1, it will generate light, and for 0, it won't. So let's start and add a delay. The light will blink, the light will light up, and then take a 1 second delay, and then light will light off, and then take another second. And that's how it works. So after that, we need to just make the build, the platform IO. Okay, everything is building. Okay, now the pin mode. You have to do this via COM port number 9, and you have to make everything work. You need another software, that's CP210. I will also link the software here in the I button, so you can see how to make it work. Okay, let's upload. The code is uploaded. It's uploading. So in the microcontroller, you will be able to see the LED is blinking. Like the blue color is the D. In the top, you can see there is D2 written in your microcontroller, and that's the pin number 2 internal LED blinking. So that's how you code this microcontroller. So I think you had fun making this blinking LED of ESP32 at the beginning of this course, and we will be doing a very interesting project in this course. So stay tuned with this course and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.